Today, President Donald Trump delivered a pivotal address from the White House, unveiling his administration's comprehensive economic strategy designed to invigorate the national economy. The president emphasized a multifaceted approach aimed at stimulating robust job growth across various sectors and effectively combating persistent inflationary pressures. Key components of the newly announced plan include a series of proposed tax reforms intended to incentivize investment and bolster economic activity for businesses and individuals alike. Additionally, the administration detailed forthcoming regulatory changes, which President Trump indicated would streamline operations and reduce burdens on industries, thereby fostering a more dynamic economic environment. The address underscored the president's commitment to ensuring long-term prosperity and stability for American households and businesses. The proposed measures reflect a clear direction for economic policy in the coming period, focusing on foundational shifts to enhance competitive advantage and improve overall market conditions. Observers will be closely watching the implementation of these policies and their potential impact on the national economic landscape in the months ahead. A significant development is unfolding on Capitol Hill, where a key Senate committee is actively engaged in deliberations concerning new bipartisan climate legislation. The proposed bill represents a concerted effort by lawmakers from both major political parties to address pressing environmental challenges and shape future energy policy. Discussions are focused on finding common ground for key provisions, which include the introduction of incentives designed to accelerate the adoption and deployment of renewable energy technologies across the nation. Furthermore, the legislation seeks to establish ambitious but achievable targets for reducing carbon emissions, aiming to mitigate the impacts of climate change. The ongoing dialogue underscores a commitment to environmental stewardship and a recognition of the need for collaborative solutions. The committee's work highlights the complex process of legislative crafting, as members navigate various interests and scientific considerations to forge a comprehensive and impactful policy framework. The outcome of these debates could have far-reaching implications for energy industries, environmental protection, and the broader economy. Today, the S&P 500 index registered significant upward movement, marking a notable rebound in market performance. This positive trend was predominantly driven by the robust showing of several major technology companies, which reported stronger than expected earnings. Investors reacted with renewed confidence to these financial disclosures, alongside optimistic forecasts for the upcoming fiscal quarter. The surge in tech stocks had a broad ripple effect across various market sectors, contributing to an overall positive trading session. Analysts are closely examining these developments, suggesting that improved corporate profitability and favorable growth outlooks in the technology sector are key factors underpinning the market's current trajectory. This rally indicates a potential shift in investor sentiment, moving towards greater optimism regarding economic resilience and corporate health. The performance of these leading companies often serves as a barometer for the wider market, and today's gains could signal sustained positive momentum in the near term. As anticipation mounts for Super Bowl LX, prominent analyst Barnwell has provided an in-depth preview, meticulously examining every conceivable angle of the highly anticipated clash between the Seattle Seahawks and the New England Patriots. The comprehensive analysis delves into critical aspects that could sway the outcome of the championship game. A significant focus is placed on the performance capabilities of both starting quarterbacks, Drake May and Sam Darnold, scrutinizing their potential to execute big plays under immense pressure. Barnwell's insights explore how each signal caller's unique style and recent form might impact their team's offensive strategies. Furthermore, the preview extensively discusses the pivotal role defense is expected to play in defining this Super Bowl matchup. The analysis weighs the strengths and potential vulnerabilities of both teams' defensive units, considering how they might counter opposing offenses and dictate the pace and flow of the game. This detailed breakdown offers fans and strategists alike a thorough understanding of the key factors at play, setting the stage for an electrifying Super Bowl LX.